Richard, how are you today? So today we are here to learn about smoothies. First of all, we'll be discussing why smoothies are important in our balanced diet. So smoothies are made up of yogurt. So yogurt contains a lot of good bacteria and probiotics which are really good for our gut. Apart from that, we'll be doing two variations today, one with mango and one with blueberries. And I will be flavoring the mango smoothie with honey and the blueberry one with cane sugar. You can use artificial sweeteners such as stevia to flavor your smoothies as well, just to make it a bit more healthier. I'll be using some fresh Australian mangoes and berries for my smoothie today. It is really important to use fresh ingredients while making foods such as drinks such as smoothies, because they give an enhanced taste to your smoothie. And I'll be also discussing, while I'm teaching you guys on how to make smoothies, I'll be teaching you about hygiene and how we can prevent cross contamination while making things such as smoothies using dairy products. First, we'll be making the mango smoothie with the honey in it. So I'll be taking some fresh cut mangoes which I've already peeled and cut into dices. So it depends on you that how much mango or any kind of fruit that you want to add into your smoothie. I'll be adding a lot because I like my smoothie to be really thick and flavorful. I'll be adding about 4 large spoons of yogurt, and then I'll just lighten it up with a bit of milk. I'll be just giving it a drizzle of honey as the mango is already pretty sweet. Now I'll be blending it, blending the mango smoothie. So now I'll be blending this. So I blended this smoothie really finely, as you can see. You can also keep it a bit chunky. It depends on the kind of texture that you like. So as I said before, you always need the glass to be at the right temperature. So I have chilled my glass beforehand, and I'll be serving my mango smoothie in this chilled glass. It's really important to keep a good hygiene, and I just made the mango smoothie and I'm just cleaning my work area, and I'm taking out the bowl that I've used before. So now I'll be going to the blueberry smoothie, which I'll be making with the cane sugar, because the berries are much more sour than the mango, so they need a more powerful sweetener, I would say. So I'll be adding a lot of berries and a bit of the berry juice that I have here, and I'll be keeping some berries for the garnish right here. So again, I'll be adding about 3.5 spoons of yogurt. This recipe gives me an exact 250 ml glass of smoothie. I'll be adding a dash of milk just to loosen the smoothie out a bit. And I'll be adding about 2 spoons of cane sugar. So now I'll be blending the berry smoothie, but I won't be blending it as much as the mango smoothie, just because in my berry smoothie I like a bit of a rough texture. So I have kept a separate glass cold for the berry smoothie. So now I'll be serving it. So you can garnish it with some fresh berries on the top. You can also keep a mint sprig. So I was just trying this blueberry smoothie, which is really refreshing. And thank you for watching my video, Alfred and Richard. If you have any questions, or if you would like to give me a feedback, you can email me on the email below. Thank you.